So we made it here to our house here in Pagosa Springs, you know, and have their own family times. Wink.
And I try again, crying like a baby left out here. I die again, when I come back to life, I'll holler, why again?
So we made it here to our house here in Pagosa Springs. It is an unbelievable log cabin. You can see it here behind me. Just beautiful, and has like 6 or 7 rooms, and most of them have like bathrooms for each bedroom too as well, which is pretty cool. So that way everybody can kind of have their own individual room, you know, and have their own family times. Yeah. Wink. Yeah, it's going to be pretty exciting. Be able to stay here for 2 days. We kind of did our trips a little different this time, where we did the 1 day and then 2 day stay, and then 1 day and then 2 day stay, just so that way we can have a little bit of more R&R in between and not just be rushing from one place to the next. But you see our motorcycles are over here, right here, and yeah, should be fun. We got, can't really tell probably the elevation of that, but it's a pretty steep little turn here. So that should be fun for me, because I struggle at those little tight turns and then uphill. So I can't wait for that experience for me. Yeah, we are in logging cabin number 48, as you can see here. And then, man, what a view this cabin has. So you can kind of come in here, you can see our cabin. It has 3 different stories. Say hi, Diana. Hi. 3 different stories. You got upstairs, has rooms up there, also a pool table, master bedroom and everything, and then huge living area. And then downstairs has more bedrooms and also a movie room down there that has some really cool seating, like theater seating. And then as you stroll over here, you can see we got some amazing views off the balcony. You can see over there. And then of course all the Motovlogs are all over here talking to each other, having fun. And then we will have a hot tub night too as well, because the hot tub's over there. So gonna be a cool time together and being able to enjoy the experience with one another. So and then again tomorrow we're gonna go to the hot springs. Cannot wait for that. All right, we will be back at you on the other side.
You gotta go towards the tie.
I didn't even remember. I didn't even look at my card. I don't even know what it was. I didn't know what it was.
I'm good.
I'm staying.
I'm staying.
It's not. You don't know.
I'm staying.
I'm not sitting by you the rest of the fucking night.
I'm staying.
I'm staying. I'm staying. I already said it.
One better. Come on, somebody get under it.
Oh my God.
Get under it. Oh, yes.
Damn, that's
God,
3
3
5.
I'll stay. You got a sticker. You got a sticker. You got better than 3. Hey. Hey.
Well, I went from 3 went to 0. 0 is my hero.
Well, no, you go to the bottom.
You gotta do the
You go to the
bottom.
Oh, and 4.
Oh my God.
All
Alright, well, time to go to bed. See you guys. Sit your ass right back there.
All right. So we all owe Brent $3.